I'm Anil Kumar, and in this question we will rearrange our quadratic equation and write it in different form. The question here is, find the quadratic equation in vertex form that has zeros, minus 3 and 5, and that passes through 3 and 6. So once we are given the zeros, the best way to write the equation is in the factored form. So we'll write y equals to a times, zeros are minus 3 and 5, so x plus 3 will get a 0 at minus 3, and x minus 5 will ensure 0 at 5. Now we need to write this quadratic equation in vertex form, right? So that is the factored form. First let us find a. To find a, we will use the point 3, 6. So 6 is the y value, 3 is x value, right? So we get 3 minus 5. That gives us 6 is equals to a times 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So we get a times minus 12 equals to 6, or a equals to 6 divided by minus 12, or minus half, correct? So we can write down the equation as y equals to minus half times x plus 3 times x minus 5. Now we need to write this equation in the vertex form. So let us expand this and then write it. That is one way of doing it. The other way is that we can actually find the vertex from here and then write it. But let us expand into it. I think that is what is expected. So we'll rewrite the equation, minus half, and we will expand this, right? So we get x times x as x squared, and then minus 5x plus 3x minus 15, right? So we get minus half, and within brackets we'll keep x squared minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x, and then we have minus 15. Now what we need to do here is basically x squared minus 2x, let's keep minus half outside itself. Out of these two, half of 2 is 1, right? So we will do x squared minus 2x. Half of 2, I should say, is 1. So we'll add 1 and subtract 1 squared, and we'll just keep minus 15 here itself for the time being. Normally we'll take it out, but there is no point. So we'll have half here. Now these three terms form a perfect square, right? That is the idea. This is completing the squares method. So we could write this as x minus 1 whole square, and here we have minus 1 minus 15. So now we could write this as, I forgot to write half, minus, and we have x minus 1 whole square. Combining this we get minus 16. Now let's open the bracket. So we get minus half x minus 1 whole square, and minus minus becomes plus. Half of 16 is 8. So that becomes the equation in the vertex form. Do you get it? So that is how we could get the equation in vertex form from the given equation factored form. I hope that helps. Thank you.